Hello viewers, Microsoft has some exciting updates to share about their new Copilot chat for Outlook and Teams. Let's dive into what's coming, when it is arriving, and how it will change the way you work. Stick around for all the details. Back in December, Microsoft announced major updates for their 365 apps. They even renamed their AI tool to Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. Now, the big news is here. Microsoft has revealed when Copilot Chat will roll out to Outlook and Teams, and it is happening very soon. So, here is the plan. Late January 2025, Microsoft Copilot will be available to install and pin in Teams and Outlook. This process is expected to wrap up by late February 2025. On Teams Mobile, the app will show up in the top header. For Outlook Mobile, Copilot will appear in the top bar starting mid-February 2025. If you use Teams on desktop, Copilot will automatically be pinned in the left rail. In the Teams chat pane, Copilot Chat will also be pinned by default for users with a Microsoft 365 Copilot license. For mobile users, you will see Copilot in the top header of the Teams Mobile, the top bar of the Outlook Mobile starting mid-February. It means here is what you need to know. You can control whether Copilot is pinned in Teams and Outlook using existing setting. If you choose not to pin it, user will still get notification about the option to pin it themselves. You can also block or remove Copilot chat access completely through the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Now, during the rollout, there is temporary change. If you are using Classic Outlook for Windows on the semi-annual channel, you might see Copilot for a bit. But once you update to version 24.08 or newer, Copilot will be hidden again. To sum it up, Microsoft Copilot Chat is about to make your life easier. Whether you are on desktop or mobile, are you excited to try it out? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next video.